Hello students, now we are going to discuss Python MySQL connectivity program. In the last section also we discussed Python MySQL connection connectivity. So here we are going to discuss some programs related to creating table and select query. If you didn't see the last lecture, first go through the last lecture. That one every steps are clearly mentioned. Then go through these examples. So in the last example, what we did, just show the databases. So here in this one, I am just displaying using select query. So in the previous lecture, we discussed about show database query. So these are the databases already existing. Okay. So I think you are remembering this class database. In the SQL practical session, we created this class database. So what I am doing here is just displaying the details in class database. Okay, class database, we created one table named student. So I am displaying the rows or displaying the details in student database, student table in class database. So here, normally in SQL, what we are doing, first you have to select the database. For that we are using the command use database. Here if you already know the database name, directly give the database name here. Okay, database equal to, here we are using class database, so give database name here. Okay, and another one more thing, here we are writing import SQL.connector. Again in the connect function also we are using like this. Suppose if you want to shorten this mysql.connector, I am giving mysql.connector as my. Okay, just for simplicity I am giving the word my. So instead of writing here mysql.connector, you can give the short name. Okay, my. That is why we are writing mysql.connector as my. So instead of using mysql.connector, you can use the name my. So we already selected the database. Then these steps are same. Then what we are doing, created the cursor object. Here we are just displaying the details in our table student. So here you have to give select star from student. Okay, so here fetch many is there, so I am changing it into fetch all. Okay, only this change is needed. So you have to give the database name and give the query. Run the module. So connection is okay. In that table only 2 rows are there, so it display the 2 rows. Okay, so this way we are using select query. Suppose if you want to display the name in ascending order, then what we have to do, select name from student, order by name. You want to arrange in descending order, you can give descending, DEC. Okay, so only names are displayed and the names are displayed in ascending order. Similarly, you can give aggregate functions. If you want to display, what are the fields there? Okay, mark is there. So I am arranging, I am just taking the average mark, displaying average mark, AVG mark from student. So it will show the result like this, decimal 25.000. Okay. So here it is not given in the same format as in SQL. In the SQL it is given average mark, then it gives the result, but here it displays the data type also. So this way we are using select command in SQL. Just give the query, first select the database, then write the query. All other steps are same. If you are giving fetch all and you are not using this looping statement, okay, just giving print data. So here I am changing it to select star from. Okay, print data. It displays the 2 rows as a single tuple. Okay, here this is the first tuple. Inside that tuple this is a list. Inside the list 2 tuples are there. Okay, this way we are displaying the value. So I think you are clear. I think you are clear about these steps. The next section we will discuss how to create table and how to insert values into the